Well, there is a range of proposed changes to May's original deal currently on the table. My colleague Wang Tongxuan gave us a breakdown of which of these are most likely to go ahead.
British lawmakers have tabled over a dozen alternatives to May's deal. Parliament Speaker John Bercow will decide which of those should go to debate. So far, we have 4 front-runners. The first one you should know, the one the government has openly backed, is proposed by Graham Brady of the ruling Conservative Party. It touches on one of the central issues of a Brexit deadlock, the Irish border backstop. The plan is to remove the backstop altogether and replace it with alternative arrangements to avoid a hard border. The second one, and by far the most promising one from opposition Labour Party, is proposed by MP Yvette Cooper. She proposes the Prime Minister extends the Article 50 deadline of March the 29th by 9 months. If the government fails to get the deal through by the end of February in order to prevent a no-deal Brexit, this plan has received at least 103 signatures. The leader of the Liberal Democrats, Vance Cable, and his MPs have also proposed a solution to a catastrophic hard Brexit. They call on ruling out a no-deal scenario in principle and prepare for a second referendum with remaining in the EU as an option. A similar request to take a hard Brexit off the table was also raised by Conservative lawmaker Caroline Spelman and has won the support of at least 129 MPs. The last one I would like to share with you is a very controversial amendment, also by Lib Dem MP Tom Brigg. He demands a cross-border committee be formed and given control of the parliamentary Brexit process. If this one is voted through, it will change the long-held principles of the British Parliament that the government has control of what has the chance to become law. With all that said, it still remains to be seen which one gets passed by the end of the day. But no matter what changes May has to accept, in order for the divorce to go through, the Prime Minister's leadership skills will be seriously tested in the coming months.